So hey guys, Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and thanks for joining the live session today. In today's session, I am going to show you how to go ahead and sign up. How to go ahead and complete the assignment. So I will tell you how you can complete the assignment and submit the assignment. So I will share my screen right now. And here you can see this is week 1 success mindset. And I hope everybody has seen this video. Yes. Everybody has seen this video. If anybody has not seen this video yet, please go ahead and watch this video because this is your first week of the internship program, and you need to watch this video to go ahead and learn what to do in the assignment. Without watching this video, you will not be able to complete the assignment. And you can also go ahead and put a comment on the video here. So if you have not put a comment on the video here, because I would like to get your feedback. So what you can do is that you can go ahead and put a comment on the video. I've given the link to the video again, and a lot of people seem to have watched it twice. So can you take a minute? And if you have not put out your feedback here, please go ahead and put out your comments here right now. A lot of people seem to have watched it twice. Great. So Viraj is saying very informative and encouraging. Dishan has watched it thrice. So people who have already commented, it's fine. People who have not commented, can you just go ahead and leave a comment about what you learned in the video, some feedback about the video, and type done in the chat box if you are done commenting. So some people are saying you haven't watched it. If you have not watched it, then you will not be able to go ahead and complete today's assignment, because today's assignment is going to have all the support in this particular video. All right, so I like to get the feedback because I want to know what you feel about it. Fantastic. So I see some good comments here. So now what you need to do is that you need to log in here, and you need to log in at digitaldeepak.com/batch4. Don't log in now. If everybody tries to log in, then the site will not work. But this is the basic idea, right? You need to go into digitaldeepak.com/batch4/lesson/week1. And once you log in into this particular portal, then you will be able to go ahead and see this video here. And what you can do is that if you do not have the login, try forgot password. If it still does not work, then upcoming. So Ramanpreet Singh, login is digitaldeepak.com/batch4. All right, so that's the login. I think pretty much everybody has the login. And you can see that the assignment deadline ends in 8 days, 2 hours, which means that you have time until next week. So what we are going to do today is that we are going to go ahead and look at week 1 assignment worksheet. We are going to see how you can complete the assignment. And once you have completed the assignment, what you can do is that you can go ahead and download this assignment as a PDF. So you go to file and you can go to PDF. And once you have filled out all the details, then this entire document will get downloaded to you as a PDF file. And once it gets downloaded to you as a PDF file, what you can do is that you can go inside here into week 1, and you can click on browse and you can upload the assignment. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give you the assignment worksheet today. And basically I'm going to give you a link to the Google Sheet, and you will be able to. So I will just make sure that anyone with a link can view. All right, so this link I will be giving it to you. And what you need to do is that you need to go to file and you need to click on make a copy. So you will have like the view permissions for this document. You can make a copy into your own Google Drive. Everybody has a Google Drive, I suppose. Yes. And this is same as the niche selection worksheet, obviously, if you have seen that. But niche selection, we will get into the week 3. We will dive deep into it. So I will not give you the link right now. And obviously the recording of this webinar will also be available inside your learning management system. So I will not be giving you the link to it right now because you will get distracted. What I will do is that first I will go ahead and assignment worksheet template. First, I will go ahead and create a copy of this. Come on, guys, everybody has a Google Drive account. Ankit and Kiran is saying that I don't have Google Drive. Do you have a Gmail account? If you have a Gmail account, then you can go to drive.google.com and you will be able to open it. So that's how it works. It's pretty simple. All right, so pretty much everyone will have. If you don't have, then just create a Gmail account. Yes, if you have a Gmail account, then you have a Google Drive account. That's how it works. It's all the same account. So you will be able to copy this, and here these are the things that you need to fill up and you need to download it. So this template I will give you. So what I will do is that I will make a copy myself. Week 1 assignment, sample assignment. All right. Sample assignment. So I'm just creating a sample assignment worksheet, and you just look at how I'm doing it. I won't give you this sheet because I don't want people to copy paste it. I don't want anyone to copy it. So what I'm going to do is that instead of actually doing the assignment myself and showing you the exact details of the assignment, I'm going to explain it how to do. Because in the previous few assignments, what we have seen is that, if I give a sample assignment, then people would just copy it exactly and then submit the assignment, which is not acceptable. So I will just go ahead and explain this to you. All right, cool. Just type cool in the chat box if that's cool. Fantastic. So this recording will be available, guys. Don't worry about it. This recording of this particular class will be available where I am explaining how to do the assignment. Give me one moment. So now the first thing that you have to fill up is, these are going to put you out of the comfort zone. All right. So these videos are going to put you out of the comfort zone. So Smita is asking, do we get the recorded video of the Success Mindset live classes? Smita, there has not been a live class. There was only a live discussion about the class. The video that I am giving you is the week 1 video, and each and every week we will be having the same kind of videos that are released. The recorded video is like much better than what I could do live. All right. Satya is asking, why do you have webinar at 9 p.m. always? Because that's where the maximum attendance comes. Let's not have irrelevant questions right now, please. Let's just focus on the assignment. All right. So I want to go ahead and tell you that this assignment is going to put you out of the comfort zone, right? And this assignment is going to kind of be challenging for you. And that is how it is going to be, right? Growth happens under pressure. Agreed? Growth happens under pressure. It will not be like, this particular assignment is technically an easy assignment because you are just going to go ahead and fill up some details. But at the same time, it will be difficult in terms of, going through the thought process of actually going ahead and putting some content out there, right? You need to be thoughtful about it. And I'm telling you again, if you just do the assignment for namesake, then your assignment will get rejected. Then we will ask you to submit the assignment again. And I would like to repeat that the first draft of the assignment should be submitted by 8th August. And if you don't even submit the first draft of the assignment, then you are going to miss the cashback for week 1. So make sure that you log in into your LMS, which will be fixed if you cannot log in. Then you will be able to go ahead and upload the assignment. So people who are not able to log in into the LMS, we will fix it. You just get the assignments ready. All right, Muhammad Amir, Nasir Ali Khan, I hope I am clear with it. So you just get the assignment completed and you will be able to log in into the LMS. I will make sure of it in case you are not able to log in into the LMS, and if there is an issue in our end, then we will take responsibility of it. All right. So the approval of the assignment will be based on whether you have taken some effort on the assignment. If you just do it for namesake, like sometimes there are students who will just put one words. Sometimes they will just submit like a blank PDF. Those things cannot be accepted. So if you are submitting an assignment which is rejected, then we will give you a chance to submit it again. But at least the first draft of the assignment has to be submitted by 8th August. All right. So Kausalya LMS link digitaldeepak.com/batch4. Just log in into the LMS directly. So in terms of words, some things have word limit, some things do not have word limit. But anyway, so this is the sample. So here, the first question that you have to answer, and this will make sense if you have already, guys, go ahead and ask the questions towards the end of the session. I will do like a Q&A, and then we will go ahead and answer all the questions. So here you can see, week 1 assignment worksheet. What is something that you believe to be true that nobody else agrees with you on? All right. So this question might take a lot of time for you to think through. And this is like a very important question. I hope everybody understands this question. Yes. Is there anyone who does not understand this question? You just have to go ahead and write about, things that some people are not able to understand the question. I think if you are not able to understand the question, are you part of the Telegram group? I think in Telegram group, a lot of people will help you, because most of them seems to be, understanding this question. So what is something that you believe to be true that nobody else agrees with you on? So I believe that the largest publication in the world and the largest education company in the world will become the same. This is one example that I can give you. I won't go ahead and type it out, because a lot of people end up copying it directly. I'm just giving you an example. You have to go and think through that. The very point of this assignment is that you have to put your mind to it. All right. And then as people start completing assignments, they will share it on the Telegram group. And for people who are already not part of the Telegram group, let me just go ahead and share the link to the Telegram group again. Just give me one moment. So I will just share the Telegram group link with you guys on email, or just check if I can get the link to it. One moment. For some reason, I'm not able to fetch the invite link to it right now. And you don't need to worry about too many communication things happening inside the Telegram, guys. Don't worry about it at all. So yeah, I got the group link. Give me one momento. So I will go ahead and share the Telegram group link with you. So please go ahead and join it if you have not joined it already. That is the Telegram group. So here we will be having some discussions on, how this entire thing works in terms of assignment submissions and everything. And you will be able to get some examples. So don't worry too much about the entire, assignment process. Once you submit the first assignment, then you will kind of get, used to it. So these assignment submissions are going to be private. All right. And I can give you 100% guarantee on that. This will not be published anywhere unless you want to share it with your other interns. And if you feel too uncomfortable saying that, like anyone is going to feel too uncomfortable saying that, I mean, if you believe something to be true that nobody else agrees with you on, and if you are just keeping it into your mind, then what's the point of it? All right. So you need to download it as a PDF. Yes. And some people are saying that they are not able to join the Telegram group. We have more than 900 members in the Telegram group. You might need to use like a different device, or you might need to use like a different internet connection to log in, sometimes certain internet connections and certain devices will throw an error. And Harshvardhan, yes, it can be from past, present, or future. It can be anything. Just go ahead, and this is like an open exercise. All right, so I will mention it here. This is an open exercise. Feel free to write anything. There is no right or wrong answer. All right. So I will in fact put it in the template itself. So you download so once you have completed the worksheet, you have to download it as a PDF. And once you have downloaded it as a PDF, then you can upload it in the learning management system that we have, right? So how to copy this to your drive, I will teach you towards the end. It's a very simple process. You just need to open this and then click on file, make a copy. So that's how you copy it, right? So Satya, yes, you can, your responses can be anything for the first question. If it is weird, there is no problem at all. All right. So done. First question is clear. Yes, Abhignya, it can be anything. No judgment here. All right. First question is clear. All right. First question is clear. So now we discussed about subjective truths and objective truths, right? So here you can go ahead and 1 second. So here we can go ahead and write down what are the objective truths that you have discovered in your life through experimentation and results. All right. So here, let's go ahead and write down some of the objective truths that I have discovered in my life. All right. So one is the I will just block the chat, guys. Yeah. So one objective truth is that you cannot learn entrepreneurship through books or courses. The only way to learn entrepreneurship is through doing. You have to run a business to know what it takes to run a business, right? So objective truth is factual, and I will also show you like an example here. I will put an example here. So objective truths do not care about anyone's opinions. They are true no matter what. Example, the value of pi equal to 3.14. All right. So this is how you go ahead and fill this up. So write down 3 things that you feel like it's an objective truth in your life, and try to give very deep answers. And we will be also featuring assignments who have written very meaningful answers. And if you are like, ready to share your answers with others, then we will also go ahead and feature your assignments. So, there are going to be bonuses for top students, which are like not announced, but there are going to be unannounced versions. So third point is the most important thing. What does your version 2.0 look like? All right. So this assignment can be downloaded. I will tell you how to download this assignment, Sunil. Don't worry about it. So what does your version 2.0 look like? Write about your version 2.0 as if you have already become the ideal version of yourself, and you have to write minimum 300 words. Satya, yes, the webinar will be uploaded on LMS. So link to the published version. So I will just close the chat for now so that I can answer all the questions towards the end of the webinar. So link to the published version you have to give here. And what I'm basically asking you to do is that I'm basically asking you to go ahead and publish at least a 300-word article. All right, at least a 300-word article. And I hope you know how to do the word count, you can just search for word count tool on the web, and you will know, some tools which will give you the word count. So at least publish a 300 word article, which is going to be the idealized version of yourself. So here I'm going to write a sample one. All right. So if you don't have a blog, you can publish it on WordPress.com, your blog, Medium.com, Blogspot.com, or any blogging site at all. And if everything fails, go ahead and create a new document in Google Docs, and then you go ahead and give me the link. All right. This is clear. Just type clear in the chat box if this is clear. You can publish it on LinkedIn also. Yes. You can publish it on LinkedIn also. And you can publish it on LinkedIn or any blogging site. So Ramanpreet is asking, what is version 2.0? Ramanpreet, you will know what is version 2.0 if you have watched my video. Have you watched my video? So let me go ahead and tell you. See, I am definitely going to push you to go ahead and publish it publicly. If you feel, are you okay publishing it publicly, guys? Are you okay? Come on, guys. If you are saying no, then what's the point? The entire idea of publishing your ideal version is that so that you can create a pressure. You are going and announcing to the world that this is how I am going to be, and I will show you an example. I will show you an example. So here is a sample. Okay. So 5 years from now, right now I am 33 years old. And here you see there is a friction. Already some people are saying no. And this is the exact friction that I am talking about. If you go and admit it to the world that you are going to go ahead and this is what you are going to be, then you have to go ahead and become that, right? Why are you fearing that? Who is judging you? Come on, nobody is judging you. We are here for supporting you, and there are a lot of people, and if at all some people are going to feel discomfort about it, it's not like we are going to go ahead and reject the assignment out of that, but everybody is doing it. Pretty much everybody here is going public with their announcement, and if you are little bit uncomfortable with it, then publish a polished version of it. So I will tell you how to publish a polished version of it. So this is how the sample will be. So Digital Deepak 5 years from now. All right. So let's say by 2025, Digital Deepak will be a successful entrepreneur with a email list of more than 10 million subscribers. Okay, so what I need to do is that the date is 2025 and I need to put it in the present tense. That's how you will feel it. Okay. Digital Deepak is a successful entrepreneur, not will be. Successful entrepreneur and a digital marketer with an email list of more than 1 million subscribers, 10 million subscribers. He is the #1 digital marketer in Asia and has trained more than 1 million digital marketers. He runs a digital marketing company called High Traffic, and it is a world-class digital marketing organization. So Rohit Thakur is asking, what if we don't know what to become? Come on, Rohit Thakur, you have to know what you want to become. What kind of question is that? You have to think about what you want. By the way, this might change, guys. This might change, but I'm just giving you an exercise so that you can go ahead and become that person. All right. So this is like a letter to yourself in the future, right? You are writing a letter to yourself, and this is how it's going to be, right? That's the point of this assignment. you have to get yourself out of the comfort zone. Raman, if Medium pretty much Medium does not approve or disapprove any articles, you can go and publish it on LinkedIn also. All right. I would say you have to write minimum 300 words, guys. If it is not even minimum 300 words, then what's the point? So here you can see I have written 57 words. So Digital Deepak is a successful entrepreneur and a digital marketer with an email list of more than 1 million subscribers. He is the #1 digital marketer and he runs a digital marketing company called world-class digital marketing organizations. He built his empire through his flagship program. Not total document, guys, just the dream, your version 2.0. All right, your version 2.0 should be 300 words. It's going to be difficult, but that's the point of this entire assignment, right? You need to put yourself, you have entire 1 week to do this. So for some people, it might be difficult. Some people are saying that it's going to be easy. And he built his empire through his flagship training program called the Digital Deepak Internship Program. So I think it would help you if you write as if a journalist is writing about you. All right, it would help you. But if you want, you can write it in first person also. But I want you to write as if a journalist is writing about you. Imagine that this article is coming in a magazine. All right, Forbes magazine is publishing about you. All right. So now, he believes that training and education is the best way to change the world. And everything he does is aligned with the vision of training and transforming people. So right now, publishing this is free, guys. I mean, like you can, if you don't have a blog already, you can publish it on WordPress.com, your blog, Medium, Blogspot, any blogging site, LinkedIn, anywhere you want, you can publish. It just needs to be public. I want you to keep it public so that, you go and share it on your social media sites so that there is some pressure that is building on you. This is your ideal version. And do you think your friends are going to judge you because of that? No, right? If you have friends who are going to judge you, they are probably not your ideal friends. Maybe don't share it with them. But don't write 1.0 version. Don't write 1.0 version, right? 1.0 version is already you right now, who you are, right? Come on, guys. If I am doing it in front of 900 people right now, and I'm not thinking that you are going to judge. If they laugh, Reed Dhiranjan is saying they will laugh. I mean, what did I tell you? What did I tell you in the video? Why do you think people will laugh? They are getting uncomfortable with the change that you are going to go ahead and do. Aman Chowdhury, don't publish it on Facebook. Facebook is not a great platform. I'm also moving away from Facebook, and don't do it on Facebook. Do it on LinkedIn, which is more professional. Insta also don't use it. LinkedIn is fine. And some Pratap is saying business enemies. If you grow, you will have a lot of enemies. Right now, if you think somebody will become your enemy just because you are going and saying that, imagine what will happen if you actually become that. There is no such thing as enemies, guys. Don't worry about it. There is no such thing as enemies. Sowangi Das is asking, can we publish on Twitter? Twitter is not long enough. It's a microblogging platform. How are you going to publish 300 words on it? Yes, you can publish it on Quora. Quora is fine. I think I have mentioned Quora here. No. So Quora is also fine. So what you can do is that any blogging site or your profile page. So in your profile page, you can talk about Vision 2025 or something like Vision 2025. If you have your own website, yes, you can publish it on your own website. So Saloni is asking, if we don't have our own blog, where will we publish it? Saloni, please pay attention to the class. I am saying you can publish it on WordPress, blog, Medium. And guys, go ahead and ask the questions, very simple questions. If you want to ask, go ahead and ask it in the group. All right. So this is going to put you out of your comfort zone. Yes, it's going to put you out of your comfort zone, but that's the point of it. So right now, while I am writing it, I am also getting uncomfortable. So he believes that education is the best way to change the world, and everything is aligned vision of training and transforming people. He is very focused on health and fitness and fitness. He likes to, no, not likes to, don't use words like likes to. Okay. So I will, give you the thing here. So write how a journalist would write about you in the year 2025. Don't use words like likes to. Be as specific as possible. All right. So this is a very subjective assignment. So we will not be very judgmental about this. This will be a little bit open, but yes, we will be giving feedback also based on the assignments. We'll be featuring like top assignments and everything. I'll just put it in the next page. All right. I'll just put it here. Top 100 will not be based on this. Top 100 will be based on the multiple choice question that we will do towards the end of the program. All right. We can mention personal goals also. Yes, I am mentioning health goals, right? He's very focused on health and fitness. He swims for 500 meters every day. Make it 1 kilometer, make it 1000 meters. 1000 meters every day without fail. He also runs a fitness blog called nowfit.com, and it is one of the most visited fitness blogs in India. He lives in a farmhouse in Goa for 6 months of the year, and rest of the year he is in travels, working remotely and managing his team remotely. 3 months of the year he is working out of his corporate headquarters in Bangalore. So don't write your very long journey and all. Just, think about what you are going to do by 2025. And if you want to write about what your company will be in 2025, you can do, but go ahead and relate it to you. Don't say that, hey, go ahead and, and by the way, guys, don't copy my assignment. Don't copy my assignment. Go ahead and write your own version. All right. In fact, I won't even complete this. So this is 182 words. Come on. This is 182 words. So another 100 words. 3 months of the year is working out of his corporate headquarters in Bangalore. And he is also the co-founder of India's largest educational portal. So this I don't want to reveal. All right. So I will just go ahead and give it a blank. All right. This I don't want to reveal. And if you don't want to reveal certain things, you can go ahead and put it here. If you want to talk about relationships, you can put it that also. And yeah, this is suspense for you guys. Some people might be able to guess it. Some people might not be, but you know, this is the dream. All right. So this is how you do it. All right. So clear? Just type clear in the chat box. And so India's largest educational portal, and he believes that training and education is the best way to change the world. He is the top digital mentor in India when it comes to the topic of success, marketing, and success, marketing, freelancing, personal branding, and digital mentoring. So Anand is asking, can we go ahead and write a longer version? Yes, you can write 1,000 words also. You can write 1,000 words also. Yes. And you don't need to publish the entire text here. Just put the link here, like, you know, so example, https linkedin.com or wordpress.com or whatever it is, you know, put the published link here. All right. So can we move on to the next question, guys? Nandini, if you believe that this is going to be a fantasy right from the start, then it might remain a fantasy. Go ahead and write what you believe that can be achieved. Right? And a lot of people are asking, why not write it here only? Don't write it here, guys. Don't write it here, because the idea is not for you to just put it into words. The idea is for you to go ahead and publicly put it out. You know, maybe you can write that this is my 2025 version, or this is my 2.0 version that I will become. Or it can be 2023 also. All right. 3 years down the line or 4 years down the line. There 2023 or any specific year. All right. So when you tell it to the world, you become more accountable. There is a pressure that is building up, and you will get to know what it likes to become a success. If people are making fun of you, let them make fun of you. They are probably not the people. Do you think that if anybody makes fun of you, they are going to help you achieve this goal? It's wordpress.com, guys, not org. Org is like your own site, right? You know, and you will be so much surprised to see that a lot of people will support you on this journey. You will start attracting people who will support you on this journey. And I'm telling you, write it down. 100% you will end up seeing people who will start supporting you on this journey. So Ashmila, if you submit the assignment in a couple of days, you will know about it only after the assignment deadline. We need 7 days to approve or reject all the assignments. If it is rejected, then you will get another 7 days to submit the assignment again. Madhavi, yes, you can opt any year like 2030. Don't make it more than 7 years though. You just don't want to say that, hey, by 2000 or 2050, I will become like that. Right? So you will start attracting people who will go ahead and start supporting you on this journey. Right? So this is maximum word limit, no limit. You want to write 5,000 words, you are free to go ahead and do it. Want to write a book about it, you can do it. Shubham Agarwal, I request you not to copy paste the same question multiple times like that. If I'm missing it, I will answer it towards the end. So submitting on WordPress is okay. Okay, wait, is it necessary to have a profile pic also uploaded? If you want to do it, you can do it. So in fact, what I will do is that, you know, in fact, what you can do is that you can add pictures also, right? Add pictures. Like for example, this becomes your vision board. This becomes your dream board, right? And you can add pictures here. Like for example, let's say I am working out of my corporate headquarters in Bangalore. I would go ahead and say corporate headquarters, right? And I will go to images, and I will, like, you might need to go ahead and look for, if you're adding images, please make sure that it is not protected by copyright. So usage rights, you can go labeled for reuse, labeled for non-commercial reuse. So go ahead and use labeled for non-commercial reuse so that you can reuse non-commercially. So if I want to be working out of my corporate headquarters in Bangalore, I will go ahead and put this image while I am writing the article. You can put as many images as you want. And imagine that if I go ahead and put an image like this in the article, do you think it is adding some life into the article? Yes. So 3 months of the year, he is working out of the corporate headquarters in Bangalore. I am only getting excited already. So imagine that how cool it would be if I go ahead and work out of this. If I have like an office like this, see, all this one day will come true, guys. All this will one day definitely come true, and this is how you have to do the assignment. Agreed? And while you are writing the article, if you want to mention that this is part of Digital Deepak internship assignment, you can mention it. If you don't want to mention it, that's completely fine. That also I will add it here. You can optionally mention that this is part of Digital Deepak internship program. All right. So how is the assignment so far, guys? What do you feel about it? Do you feel that this is already very powerful? Yes. And guess what? You are getting paid to do it. How better it's gonna be? You are getting paid to do it, right? So let's go ahead and rock this, man. Let's go ahead and rock this. So this is how it's going to be. And you can add as many pictures as you want. And if you feel that you are feeling uncomfortable publishing that, that is exactly what is holding you back. If you feel uncomfortable to put something on words, that exact feeling is the previous version of you. 1.0 version is trying to hold you back. It will try to pull you back, and you will try to reduce your ambitions. You will try to go ahead and make it more simple. And you need to identify that the voice inside your head that is trying to make it more simple is the exact voice that is going to prevent you from achieving that success. All right. Fantastic. Cool. So I recommend that you go ahead and publish this publicly. And now the next most important thing, what is your personality type? So you have to go to 16personalities.com. And you can go ahead and sign up here. You can go ahead and click on take the test. So you go ahead and take the test. Do you enjoy vibrant social events with a lot of people? Not so much. So if you aggregate a lot, then you put agree. Then if it is not, you go ahead and do it. If you have already done it, then just put down what is your personality type there. All right. If you have already taken, then you have already done part of the assignment. Okay. So then often spending time exploring unrealistic yet intriguing ideas. Strongly agree. Strongly agree. Strongly agree. Strongly disagree. Disagree. And this will keep going on, guys. This will keep going on. This is like a long process. So if you go ahead and complete the entire thing, then go ahead and tell me what is your personality type. So my personality type is INTJ, 16 personalities. So this is my personality type. All right, this is my personality type. So INTJ, there are two types, which is turbulent and assertive. So I am a turbulent architect. So I would go ahead and put that I am a turbulent architect. And you can just put it here. So, you can put it like proper formatting, and you can write something about it. All right. So I am a turbulent architect, and my role model, okay, my role model is Elon Musk. So you can write your role model here. So your personality type, your role model. All right. So once you complete this assignment, a lot of people have been creating subgroups, right? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to ask my team to go ahead and put you in separate WhatsApp groups for discussion if you are a particular type. And then you will become lifelong friends because you are finding out other people who are the same type as you. And then you can discuss about life discussions and everything. All right. So usually what happens is that a lot of people do not put people into separate groups because it's very difficult to manage it. But I trust you guys that you will use it only in a proper way. And we will also be part of these groups. So there are going to be like 16 different groups for 16 different personality types. All right. So you will have like one group of like-minded people. And here you just have to go ahead and put the 7 emotional states that you are supposed to be in as much as possible. And this is going to be one assignment that you have to do. You just post what are the 7 states that you learned about in your assignment. So this is going to be very easy. What are the top 3 things that you will do to increase your emotional well-being? This is again, you can refer to the success mindset video. And what are the top 3 things for you that you will use to put yourself in a good mindset? Like I would go ahead and say that, hey, I will go ahead and play with my pet. So one thing will be play with my pet. Second thing will be meditate. Third thing will be talk to my girlfriend. So this could be my list on how I will put myself in a positive state. All right. For some people, this might not be an option. It might put you in a negative state. So in that case, you can go ahead and put something else, whatever works for you, right? So yeah, jokes apart. Keshav is saying, bro, you are married. No, I'm not married. Who said I'm married? I'm very much single. I mean, not single. I'm taken, but I'm not married. All right. So top 3 things that you will do to increase your emotional state. You can go ahead and put it here. And this is very important, guys. This is what I talked about ethics. All right. So have you ever cut corners? If yes, how did it make you feel? Putting a label on the feeling is a good way to remember the feeling and thereby change your behavior. This will be 100% confidential between you and your digital mentor. You can talk about the next. You can talk about something light if you feel uncomfortable to reveal the worst thing you did. All right. Have you ever cut corners? Meaning, have you ever cheated or acted in an unethical way? Because in the success mindset video, we talked about how important it is to stick to ethics to be successful in life, right? Come on, guys. Everybody has. Don't say I haven't. Everybody has done something. Even I have done something. All right. If you have not done something, then go ahead and put boldly here that I have never cut corners in my life. And if you are someone like that, then probably I will be taking internship from you. All right. But anyway, jokes apart, if you have never cut corners, like, really think hard about it. Even if it is like a very small thing. Like, for example, acted in an unethical way, and this need not be illegal. need not be illegal. Even immoral things can count. If yes, how did it make you feel? So if you do not want to reveal the exact information, so guys, the idea of it, so the idea of this exercise is not to know what you did, but to know how you felt. So if you don't want to reveal the details, it is fine, but write down how you felt. All right, you need to put down what you felt. All right, that is the most important thing. I want you to write it down. Like for example, I could go ahead and write that, hey, I did this to XYZ in 2015. It made me feel very bad about myself, and that day I made a decision to never do such a thing again. All right, something can be this. See, nobody is going to read these answers, you know, while we are reviewing the assignments. You can blank it out. All right, you can blank it out, but I think you have no problem talking about the feelings. I don't want the details. I don't want to know what are the dark secrets that you hold. Come on, that's not the idea. If you are free to share it, we feel free to share it. If you are like, you know, ready to tell it to the world. But if you are not ready to tell it to the world, you can go ahead and completely blank it out. You know, you can just put the year when you did it, but I want you to go and put down the feeling that you have. Clear? Cool. This is cool. Just type cool in the chat box if this is cool. So Nitin is saying, sir, every now and then I have did something, it will go for pages and volumes. So if it is a lot, then just put the most important thing. Right? Just post the most important thing. So guys, the purpose of this is, so some people are asking, should I go and write top 10? And some people are asking that, very funny questions are coming in. So I won't go ahead and talk about all this. So anyway, so this session will end in another 15 minutes, guys. We are almost done. And you can talk about the, you know, worst thing that you did in terms of being unethical. All right. And, you know, this is just to, you know, make it like a point that you will not do it again. And if you are like, okay, doing it, if you think that it's not unethical, it's fine. This is only based on your perception. So this is based on your perception, not based on law. All right. There is, you can write like a sentence or two. That's it. All right. I would recommend that you write it in English, Devaki, Nandan. I would recommend that you write it in English. So what are the top 10 books that you are planning to read? So this is clear, guys. This is clear. Just type clear in the chat box. Fantastic. This is clear. So step 8, what are the top 10 books that you are planning to read in the next 1 year? Go ahead and list out all the books that you are planning to read. Like for example, I am planning to read a book. It's called Relentless. I will go ahead and show it to you. So this is called Relentless. This is something I am planning. So I would go ahead and say, I'm planning to read Relentless. And you put the author also. All right. So this is by Kobe Bryant. So you go ahead and put the author also. Make sure to mention the author also. Some people are saying, I don't read books. Come on, guys. You need to read books to develop in life. Even if you don't read books, at least mention the books that you want to read. All right. Just put an intention. Maybe you will just one day feel like reading. Agreed? Don't say that I won't read books. This is what we talked about in the previous success mindset video, right? Don't say that, hey, I'm this person who does not read books. Then you are not changing. You need to go ahead and read books, and it can be other languages also. It can be in any language. So somebody is saying in the chat, I am a poor reader. Don't be a poor reader anymore. Your version 2.0 is not a poor reader. You need to change, right? Agreed? And not don't put fiction novels. Audiobooks will be counted. Audio. So if you are not someone who is a reader, then hear an audiobook. It's fine. Don't put fiction novels. Please don't put fiction novels. Don't put comics. Don't put Tinkle. Don't say that I am reading like Tinkle Digest 10 volumes. Champak. All right. So don't do that. And it can be spiritual books. It can be any book, but it has to be a book. It cannot be summary of a book. It cannot be like a blog post. It cannot be anything like that. All right. So Harry Potter definitely does not count. Yes, they say Harry Potter does not count. So makes sense. Clear, guys? So a lot of people are saying Edge of Sanity by Deepak Kanagaraju. So if you do not have Edge of Sanity, let me share the URL with you. You can also share it on the group. So you can go ahead and download Edge of Sanity, which is my book. Blogs are not counted. Hemant is asking, blogs are counted. No, blogs are not counted. Everybody reads blog posts, man. Come on. So go ahead and write down the books. Like even if you don't read books or whatever it is, just go ahead and write down the books. At least, make a list of it. Make a list of it, health books or whatever. Do some research. Ask your friends what are the top 10 books. If you keep watching my webinars, you will know that, right out of the box, like, right on my table, I have like so many books. Like for example, this is one book, Perennial Seller, I'm having, and my table is like full of books. Book reading, like there is no successful person that I know who does not read books. So Accounting Made Simple, and this is just my table. Apart from my table, there is cupboards and there is bookshelf and so many things. And this is one more book that I am planning to read. In fact, this was suggested by one of my interns in the previous batch. And you can see that, this is another book. So many books that I have just on my table itself. And I also have this small book. This one. So makes sense, clear? Podcasts are not counted, guys. Podcasts are not counted. Audiobooks are counted. Clear? Just type clear in the chat box if you're clear about it. Fantastic. All right. I like the enthusiasm. So there is two more assignments actually. There are 10 steps. So what are the things that you have started measuring in your business and life? You can go ahead and type like the things that you are measuring regularly. Started measuring regularly. So you can talk about whatever that you are measuring, finances, whatever it is. So it could be finances, health metrics, your daily routine, details and data. Just mention the topics. All right. So one more thing that we have, which is brain dump. So step 10, I will write. Step 10, do a brain dump of everything that is there in your mind in a notebook, not here, and see how it feels. You can just just answer this question with a yes or no. All right. You need to go ahead and do a brain dump of everything that is there in your mind. And I will tell you what is a brain dump. All right. I will tell you what is a brain dump. So I have opened a few links here. So let's talk about, GTD trigger list. So there are like a bunch of sites which will give you the trigger list. So this trigger list is going to go ahead and give you triggers on what are all the things that you have to remember. So it's also called a mind sweep. Professional stuff, personal stuff. There is going to be a list of professional and personal stuff that you can use as a trigger. So yeah, this is an incomplete trigger list. You can use a list like this. Personal, professional, everything is available here. So let's see, we had Zen habits, no? Zen habits, trigger list. Krishna Nair, sorry for that. I was just clicking on some random things. Showed me a different list. So here, how to massive GTD resource list. All right. I think we can just take one list out of this. Trigger list. Okay, this is not available. So what I will do is that I will just take the trigger list from Hello Focus. So what you are going to do is that you are going to take a notebook and a pen, and you are going to write down everything that comes to your mind. Project started, not completed, whatever comes down into your mind, like things that you have written, go ahead and write about it. Project that needs to be started, commitments or promises to others. Did you tell something to your boss or partner that you are yet to get back to? Did you tell something to your colleague? See, all these things are going to stay in your mind, and it is going to reduce your productivity. It is going to reduce your clarity. So what you are going to do is that you are going to do a mind sweep. All right. You are going to take out everything that is there on your mind into a notebook, and then you will feel like a little bit better. All right. So this is a good trigger list that you can use. And if you look at, okay, what are the communications that are pending? Go and write out everything. What are others writing to finish or submit? Go and write out everything. Cash flow statistics, budgets, go and write out everything. You don't need to follow each and every list. This trigger list is just to remind you of things. All right. This is just to remind you of things. So have you promised any meetings that is pending? Do you have any upcoming projects that is pending? All right. So you can go ahead and, write about all this. Banks, receivables, payables, petty cash, administration, insurance, personal things. One second. One second, guys. So then you will have like customers, internal. This is all professional related. Whatever is there on your mind related to profession, you go and do a brain dump, and you go ahead and do personal things. Commitment to promises to others, spouse, children, family, friends. Okay, I would be like, okay, I told my dad that I will do this, but I have not done it yet. Guys, stop the discussion about books. We will go ahead and discuss it later on the Telegram group. All right. And Then you projects, service, organizations. Have you said something that is there on your mind? Communications, to make or get, family, friends, professionals. So I think we can go ahead and do a mind map of this, which will become like a good trigger list. Then you can talk about healthcare, hobbies, errands, community, neighborhood, civic issues. So do you want to go and buy something that is on your mind? The idea is that whatever is there on your mind, you go and dump it. All right. Whatever is there on your mind. So I will make a mind map of it and give it to you guys. I will make a mind map of it. But for now, you just use this site. For now, you just use this site. And everything on a notebook, not here, and see how it feels. Don't do the brain dump here. Use a notebook and see how it feels. Use the trigger list from here. For now, you use it. Then I will make a mind map for you guys also. All right. So go ahead and just do this exercise also. Once you put down everything that is there on your mind into a trigger list, I mean into a to-do list, like a massive to-do list, then you are going to have like a peace of mind. All right, you are going to have like a tremendous peace of mind. Silky Gidwani is asking, Silky Gidwani, that is not relevant today. Just focus on this assignment for now. Makes sense, guys? Clear? If you don't run a business for now, then you will not have any to-do list in the business list, in the professional list. All right. So I'm 100% telling you, you will feel like you have reborn once you have done this assignment. All the things in your mind will become all clear. Then you will start getting confidence about the things that you are doing. Vamsi is saying step 10 is confused. Vamsi, just go and do a to-do list, Vamsi. Like, a list that you make of all the things that you have to buy. Just make all the things that you are yet to do. Brain dump of everything that is there in your mind in a notebook. This is a mega to-do list of everything to clear your mind. All right. Your pending work. Clear, guys? Just type clear in the chat box if it is clear. You don't need to attach the assignment here. So everything is clear pretty much. So now what I will do is that I will go ahead and give you this assignment worksheet template. And let me just share it with you. So some people are asking, how do we answer it whether yes or no? Do it and just answer it yes, as simple as that. All right. So I've given you the link in the chat box. I will put it on the LMS as well. And I will also go ahead and put it on email. I'll put it on Telegram, wherever you need it. And take this template, click on file. Do not click on request access. I am repeating, do not click on request access. I am not going to give you access to this worksheet. You just need to make a copy of it. So go to file and click on make a copy. And here you can go and put your own name. So DDIP week 1, you can put your name. This can be the format of your document. Then you go and download it as a PDF. And then you upload the PDF in the week 1. Click on browse and upload the PDF. All right. So right now it might be saying that the Google Sheet itself is having heavy traffic. So everything is high traffic when it comes to me. And Hitesh is asking how to edit a PDF. Hitesh, you are not editing a PDF. You are downloading, you are making a copy of the Google Doc and then you are downloading it as a PDF. All right. Got it? Fantastic. Some people are saying kindly explain again. Explain again what. If you, Puneet Nigam, if you go ahead and publish it in your blog, go ahead and publish the link here. Download the PDF and upload it to me. All right. This has to be the link. You know, your 2.0 version has to be the link. That link you can put it here. Submission part, please explain again. So you make a copy, go to file, go to download, click on PDF. It will get downloaded as a PDF. Then you go to your login. If your login is not ready yet, we will get it ready in the upcoming days. Nothing to worry about it. Go ahead and try forgot password and you should be able to log in pretty much everyone. If not, support is ready to help you. We will reach out to you. You upload the PDF, you click on browse, upload the PDF and submit, and you have 8 days to complete the assignment. Clear, guys? Just type clear in the chat box if it is clear. Everything is clear on how to do it. People who are not yet clear about it, let me know in the chat box what questions you have. We will also do a Q&A session. All right. I will share it on Telegram as well. Yes. You will get the recording of this session. Yes. Does this need to be handwritten? No, Mubarak, you can just fill it up online. Karthik, yes, your role model should be from your personality type. So Arjun is saying, seeing so many tabs open somehow makes me feel uncomfortable. That's why I don't look at it. I don't look at it. It makes me feel uncomfortable as well. Neha, it should be you as a person. Your 2.0 version is you, not your organization. Because if you don't grow, how your organization will grow? Step 10 is simple, guys. Just go and do a mega to-do list. And guys, you can always go ahead and kind of ask questions in the group. Others will be ready to help you. LMS says does not exist. Guys, if you log in, then you should be able to see week 1 once you log in. All right, once you log in, you should be able to see week 1. We have already fixed it. Just go and try it again. Rudraksh, let me see if I can, if you can put it on Tribe as an article. But I would ideally want you to go ahead and put it somewhere. All right, which is public. So here we don't have the articles option yet. We don't have the articles option. So you will not be able to publish it here because it won't be public. It won't be public, right? So use this as the last option if you want to do it on Tribe. So guys, are you excited about the assignment? Fantastic. So we will also have our team who will do a Q&A session around next Tuesday or somewhere, where if you have any questions, you can go and ask questions there. And Ankit is asking, please explain again the Google Drive part. Ankit, just watch the recording of this video again. Please explain step 1 again. Please watch the recording of this video again. So for people who have issues with the login, we will sort it out by Monday. Don't worry about it. Just start working on the assignment and get your assignment ready. So Abhignya, it should be on LinkedIn or it should be somewhere where you can share it on social media so that your friends can see, not just for the interns. Ashwin Kumar, no, you have to fill the sheet in the Google Doc by making it a copy into your Google Drive, and then you have to download it as a PDF. You first fill up the details and then you can fill up. Disha INTJ. So first question, what is the first question? This is going to be a very challenging question, guys. I mean, like the question is very simple, but it's not easy. Jeet Jadhav, Thursday there was no webinar. We just had a discussion about what we felt about the lesson. Srinu, I have given you the Google Drive link here, the template. I will update this on the LMS. But right now I have shared it here and you will also get it on email. All right. Abdul Basit, the format to upload the assignment is PDF. So Kishore Muruga, if you are not a businessman, then what you should do in step 8? I mean, write about some personal development books, man. Guys, some people will be completing the assignments. They will show the sample assignments on the Telegram group and then you can take inspiration from it. All right. Don't worry about it. So that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, then we will do like a Q&A session on Tuesday and my team will be doing it, not me. I will be focusing on the week 2's content. And if your assignment is rejected, then it will not be rejected. But if at all it is rejected, then the only reason that it might be rejected that you just submitted a blank PDF or something like that. And there is no rejection in this assignment because most of them you will do the assignment properly. I am confident about it. Login issues, don't worry about it. If you have not got the initial bonus cashback, if you are not able to log in, do not worry about it. I will go ahead and fix it in the upcoming week. And please don't ask questions about it right now. And I think pretty much everybody is able to get access to the Google Drive link. It's pretty simple. And if at all there is any questions, then you can go and ask it on the group. All right. So people keep asking, how can you give me any sample for question 1? No, I'm not going to give you any sample. People might be giving you any sample, but the entire idea is to get you to think. All right. Ayush, since we have 1,000 people, we cannot give individual feedback to each and every people. We can only say if the assignment is wrong or right. And you can ask feedback from other people if you want. Imagine we are a team of 10 people. How do you think we can review 1,000 assignments? Abhijit, yes, go ahead and publish it somewhere publicly. First question can be maybe like 50 words. All right. First question can be maybe like 50 words. Write at least 50 words. Okay. So now I will go ahead and open up Telegram group. So many people seem to be having questions, like very, very simple questions. I just want to ask in the Telegram group, Who is ready to help your fellow interns with assignments? Go ahead and let me know in the Telegram group. And you can see that there are so many people who are ready to help fellow interns with assignments, right? So if you have any doubt, ask your peers, right? This is what you did in school, right? If you did not understand what the teacher is saying, you did not ask the teacher. You asked your friend, hey, help me do this. How do I do this? Agreed? So see, there are so many people in the Telegram group who are ready to help fellow interns. So you can go ahead and ask, fellow interns. All right. Samir Gupta, Telegram is not down. Telegram is up. Just try it from a different connection or a different mobile or whatever it is. Go ahead and install Telegram web app, and then you will be able to go ahead and log in. Guys, don't share the whole PDF on social media or anywhere. Please share the PDF only here. Only one assignment, one section of the entire thing, which is to write your 2.0 version, has to be shared on social media. Sahil, how to find the butterflies when you are caterpillar because they don't want to talk to you? How to find the mastermind group? Sahil, once you complete the first assignment, then I will help you find the mastermind group. Abhijit Pandey, I don't know what you are saying. Please mail support@pixeltrack.com and they will help you with it. Sahil, you don't need to use the premium version of 16 personalities. You can just use the free version. MK Patak, as I said, I am not going to give you an example for question 1. You just look at the inspiration from other people. Thank you, Ayush. Joseph, yes. Right now the site is having heavy traffic. The Google Doc, just try it after a while. Bhavya Gupta, go and ask your fellow interns on how to do it. That's a very simple question. Guys, I am not here to take computer class. Some people are asking, file is not copying. How do I download PDF? How do I upload it? This is a digital marketing internship program, not like a computer class. All right. So please ask your friends on how to do it. Guys, that's about it. It's already 1.5 hours. I will go ahead and send you the recording of this. And then we will have like one more Q&A session on Tuesday by our team, so that if you have any more questions, you can ask my team. And that's about it, guys. All the best for this assignment. This assignment is going to change your life. What you did in the success mindset video, you are just like a passive spectator. You just watch the video. Only when you go ahead and actually do the assignment, the effect of the first video will go ahead and give you an impact. All right. I hope you are excited about it. Now go ahead and chill out and let me go ahead and enjoy my weekend. And you can enjoy your weekend. You can maybe do it tomorrow. You can do it right now. You can do it on Monday, whatever you are wanting to do. And let me go ahead and start working on my week 2, which is marketing fundamentals. All right. Let me go ahead and start working on week 2. And bye, guys. And please do not keep asking me very simple questions. Please ask your fellow interns for help. All right. Please ask your fellow interns for help. Good night, guys. Bye.